Is your dog your best friend?
Then stay with us so you can see what tasty treats you can make your puppy love. Hello everyone, welcome back to Two Smart Cookies. My name is Paige.
My name's Lauren.
And today we are going to make your little best friends some treats. For this recipe today, you are going to need 2 cups of oats, half a cup of that dog-friendly natural peanut butter, and 2 bananas. Before we begin, preheat that oven to 150 degrees, which is gas mark.
Grind down the oats into a fine powder in your blender.
And on top, don't want it to go anywhere. With that being done, our banana and our peanut butter is going to go straight into this bowl and mix together first.
Natural peanut butter with purely just peanuts is the way forward. It's got vitamin E, vitamin B, as well as the banana, which is full of potassium and full of vitamins as well. So this is actually a really healthy treat for your dog. Our dog Hunter absolutely loves these homemade biscuits. I have attached a photo of them above our heads right now. And let us know what your dog's favourite treat is. Homemade favourite treat. Do you just go for the standard peanut butter, or do you really put your back out and go for bone broth biscuits, which is a bit of a process to make, isn't it? Whereas these ones are very, very quick.
We were going with quick and easy, giving that dog a little bit of love for Valentine's Day, or any day really.
Hunter gets love 365 days a year.
Okay.
That is looking splendid. I think I could just eat that.
I could as well.
It smells lush.
That's mixed together. Pour in those oats.
And give that a good mix.
That mixture is now all combined. We're going to pop this into our moulds.
So just take a spoonful, pretty decent amount. You can add more if you need to, it's no big deal. Pop it into your mould. I have linked these in the description below if you want to know where to get them. But they are very widely sourced on Amazon, so you won't struggle to find them with a search.
I'm going to make sure that hits the bottom as we want that nice shape. The moulds are now filled with goodness. Pop these in your oven for roughly 25 minutes until they are cooked.
They should feel a little bit soft when you bring them out of the oven, but that's totally fine. It's exactly how they should be.
There you have it, your perfect little doggy treat.
Should we give them a go?
Well, we can, can't we?
Why
Peanut butter, banana, oats. Sounds good to me. Oh, them smell lovely. Good try. I think your dog's gonna love those.
They're quite nice.
Oh, quite nice.
Now, for the first time in my life, I can say I've ate a dog biscuit or a dog treat.
Don't know if it's my first time or not.
No.
No, I'm only kidding.
I have seen your head in the dog bowl a few times. What do you rate it?
10-10.
Oh, we need Hunter's opinion first.
I think so as well. Let's give it to him, eh?
And that is all for our lovely dog treats. So please do give them a go. If you have any more suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Give us a like and a subscribe. Keep your eyes peeled for our next upload.
See you later.
Bye.